Seal-O-Tyre anti-puncture tire sealant is an innovative solution for sealing punctures in tires. It is a gel-based, patented innovation specifically designed for tubeless tires. Open the valve cap. Open the valve core using the valve core opener. Shake the Seal-O-Tyre sealant bottle well. Open the cap of the bottle and attach the hose pipe to it. Connect the Sealotyre sealant bottle to the tire valve. Squeeze the sealant bottle into the tire. Replace the valve core and tighten it using the valve core opener. Inflate the tire to the recommended pressure. Now drive the car for up to 5 kilometers. This sealant will now form a layer inside the tire. When a puncture occurs, the air pressure inside the tire pushes the sealant towards the puncture site. The gel instantly fills the hole and creates a flexible plug. This prevents air leakage, allowing the tire to maintain pressure and enabling you to drive without interruption.